Hey folks, welcome to Faulkner Fixes All. So today is a short little video about what to expect from a 60-year-old pickup truck door and how to spot some of the bad repairs. And we're not going to go into actually repairing them. We're just going to do a quick little exploratory action with a scraper, screwdriver, and a quick note on what I'm going to have to fix to make this door okay. It is better than the door on the truck, but not much. Okay, so without further ado. So, this is very suspect. It looks like maybe that's aluminum there. I'm not quite sure what's going on. Yeah, this is, so here we go. We're just gonna peel under this and see what kind of special low budget patch. Is it a swimming pool patch? Is it Bondo over aluminum? Is it pop rivets? Oh, I see pop rivets! Yay! I see pop rivets. Okay. Hey, you know, it's always a really good repair when you can see aluminum and whoa, watch out. Yeah, we're doing good. We got some pop rivet action here. Okay. So, we know that's funny. Yeah. Okay, so, let's go over here and see what we got here. It's going to be a quick little video. Okay, so obviously that's a hole. But, you know, what extent is the badness here? And a little bit on the edge here. Okay, that doesn't look too bad there. And this I can cut out and patch. This is a big dent right here. I think I can take a pair of... there's some special pliers that have a big long edge on them made by Vice Grip. Well, they're actually right here. So I think I can use these and, you know, grip this. And heck, we might even try a little bit of action right now. What the heck, right? We said it was exploratory, but, you know. We might have to get in more in detail with these than what I'm doing now. Yeah, we might have to go to town with these. Okay, so there's that problem. Right here is a dent. Probably from someone opening the door when it was misaligned into the fender. There's this hole here, which is a problem. And then there's this little, yeah, it's aluminum with pop rivets. That was Bondo. I guess, you know, I don't know how old that is, but it lasted a while, I guess. I didn't do it. And there's this dent. There's a little dent right here. Little dent right here. The rest isn't too bad. A little wavy here. A little dent right here. See if you can see it. Yeah, a little pound mark. I guess someone walked into the door. But yeah, we're going to get into this. And the next video I'll show you just how bad this is. We'll drill it out and we'll go from there.